So the card for today is a card that I saw Dawn Stamping Thoughts do, but I really liked it, and I just thought, I don't think I've seen that anywhere, so I think it might have been her original. She didn't say it was her original, but I think it might have been, because I've looked it up since and I can't see that anybody else has done it. And she called it a Trifold Hidden Door Card. So this is the card. So you've got this on the front, and I've used a little Coca Rosa Studio die. And if you go over there, you can get 20% off by using Ice 20. You open it up, and you've got like a little hidden door, and you've got this like box. So it's almost like a shadow box that you've got. But I thought as well, this would be great for gift cards. So you could open that up and then have a gift card on here, because it does actually fit a gift card perfectly. So a gift card is about this kind of, well, it's a bit smaller than this, but yeah, it fits. So yes, so that's the card for today. So that's what we're going to be doing. So first of all, you want a piece of base card that is 7 by 8 inches, and along the 8-inch edge you're going to score at 3. Like that. So then this should be 5 by 7. Okay, I'm just going to fold that over. Now, apologies, I am using black cards, so this does make seeing score lines and things a little bit tricky, but there aren't that many score lines, so hopefully we'll be okay. Then you need another piece that is 5 by 12, and on this one you want to score at 3 inches, at 6 inches, at 9 inches, and at 10 inches. So on this one, we're going to go mountain, mountain, valley, valley. Okay, now a little trick I would say is I'm going to start with this side. You want to make sure that when you fold this over, it goes just inside of that other score line there, because this is the door part. This is the bit that goes in. So you want to make sure that that goes like that, and then this folds over. So I actually fold mine like this, and then that way I know it's definitely going to fold up the way it needs to be. So that's going to go in like that, and I know now that folds. And then these two are both mountain folds. So that is what you should end up with. So then you're going to need, on this piece, you're going to need one big piece in the middle, and this is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. I'm not doing any mats because you've got quite a lot of card, so I'm just going for patterns. And then you need 2 pieces of pattern that are 2 3/4 by 6 3/4. One's going to go there and one's going to go there. Obviously, if you want to do some different patterns, you can, but I've decided to go the same on the middle and then go for something different on the outside. So let's go ahead and stick these down. So then if we bring this over, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this. Right, this piece here is 1 3/4 by 4 3/4. So that's going to go on here. Right, then we need one piece that's 3/4 by 4 3/4. And that's going to go on there. Okay, so then we need 3 pieces of pattern paper, and these are all 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. And so these are going to go here, here, and here. Okay, you don't want one, you need a white piece here, and that is the bit I haven't cut out. As usual, it's always the white piece that I forget. If you want to do an extra piece and have all of these pattern, you can. You could have maybe a scene here and have the way you write somewhere else. You could even maybe write on the back of your card, so you don't have to do the white bit in the middle. So your white piece needs to be the same, so 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this over, and I'm going to put glue on the back of this small section here. Glue all over the back section here, like that. And then turn this over, and then what we're going to bring this one in, and where this first score line is, you want to line that up with your edge of your card, and you also want to make sure it's kind of central, top and bottom. Get it into place, and then when you've kind of got it into place, you want to bend that over like that, because you want to make sure, I'm just bending my fold the wrong way, but you want to make sure that it goes round that corner. So as you start with it flat, then just bend it round like that, because that is how it's going to be, because this is going to be, that is going to be up, obviously. You're bending that the wrong way around, but just so that it fits. Okay, so once you've stuck that down, once you've stuck that on the front there, you end up with this. And then what you want to do is just fold it over so that you've got, obviously, this is now mountain and then mountain. So you've got that like that. And I'm going to open it this way round. So I folded that like that. So I've got the 3 panels. Fold that over like that, and then over like that. And then we're going to put glue on here. And I find this is the best way to sticking it down. Right, so I've done glue there. So then we're just going to take this and literally just fold it over and stick it down. I'm just going to turn this over like this. So then when you open it up, you should end up with your little card. So cool. I really love this. I'm going to be making a few more of these. These are so cool. So then to decorate, I have a whole load of dies from Coco Rosa Studio. So this is a set. It's like a teacup and saucer, and then they've got these musical instruments, and they had them coming out of the cup. So for me, I don't really understand why you'd have musical instruments coming out of a cup, so I've just cut the instruments out on their own, and they're really nice. I love the size of them. I love the just the way they cut out. I'll show you now. The detail, I don't even know the names for all these, but look at that. Can you see the details on that? Look at that. Look how cool that is. So nice. So yeah, so you've got that one. If you know what that's called. We've got a saxophone. I know that one. There's a saxophone, and again, really nice, really detailed, and it just looks so good. The guitar, really nice little guitar. Look how cute that is. And then there's also a trumpet as well, which is also really nice. So that's the 4 instruments. And then I also found a guitar, which is from an old, very old Coco Rosa's. This is about 2 years ago. This is actually one of the first ones they sent me. And it came with I think it was a keyboard with it, and a electric guitar and something else. I can't remember anyway. There's a few of them. But yeah, I thought I'll bring that in as well, because I wanted another one. And I'm using the good old faithful In Love Art Shop Happy Birthday die from their sentiments. You know, I use this all the time because I just love it. I just love it. I think it's great for male and female. I love it. So In Love Art Shop, again, just make sure you use my code icedimages, all in one word, and that you get you 20% off. And obviously Coco Rosa Studio, you just used ice20. So these are Coco Rosa. This one's In Love. I'm not sure if that's still available. It might be. It might not be. I don't know. You can go and have a look. If I find it, I'll put it in the description, but I'm not sure if it, I said it was a long time ago, so. So there's our card. So there you go. So there's the front. Open it up, and then you've got your saxophone, your other one, and your little one. That's really cute. So there you go. That is your card for today. So there we go. We've got a Christmas one and we've got a male birthday one, but you could easily make it into a female one. Would be fantastic. You could have flowers on it. You could have all kinds of things. Literally, your imagination is, the sky's the limit, isn't it, really? I hope you all enjoyed it today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you all again next week. Bye, everyone. Have a good week.